हमारा भारत छत्रपति शिवाजी महाराज, महाराजा रणजीत सिंह, राजेंद्र चोला, महाराणा प्रताप, लसित बोरफुकन और महाराजा सुहेलदेव का देश है।
Lachit Borphukan. Have you ever heard of him? Chances are, if you're not from Assam or a history buff, you haven't. But don't worry. But who is this figure who the Indian Prime Minister named in his parliamentary speech and was then hailed by Assam Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma? In 1615, the Mughal-Ahom conflict had begun. In the backdrop, amid raging tension, Lachit was born in 1622 in a royal family as per documents from the Assam government. The youngest son of the family rose to become a legendary Ahom military commander under King Pratap Singha. In 1671, as the Mughal emperor sought to swallow Assam, Lachit, despite illness, stood firm at the Battle of Sarai Ghat, commanding a much smaller, less equipped force along the surging Brahmaputra river. In fact, he orchestrated a daring naval victory that repelled the Mughals' invading fleet. His courage and strategy turned the tide of the history. In fact, his words, "My country is more precious than my life," still resonate, reminding us that true leadership demands sacrifice beyond the self. Lachit's legacy is more than from the battlefield glory. He embodied discipline, vision, and an unwavering commitment to the welfare of his people. Even in hardship, he ensured that villages were cared for and unity prevailed, securing Assam's sovereignty against overwhelming odds. Every year on November 24th, Assam March Lachit differs to pay homage to his timeless symbol of resilience. Statues rise, stories are retold, and the echoes of his valor inspire new generation to stand against all adversaries. Lachit Borphukan's story must be told to every Indian. After all, it is a timeless tale of a heroic resistance.
हमारा भारत छत्रपति शिवाजी महाराज, महाराजा रणजीत सिंह, राजेंद्र चोला, महाराणा प्रताप, लसित बोरफुकन और महाराजा सुहेलदेव का देश है। आदरणीय अध्यक्ष जी, हम विकास और शांति के लिए सामरिक सामर्थ्य पर भी फोकस करते हैं। आदरणीय अध्यक्ष जी, कांग्रेस के पास नेशनल सिक्योरिटी का विजन पहले था और आज तो सवाल ही नहीं उठता है।